Motorola Moto Pad 60 Neo tablet with stylus 5G and 68W's fast charging to launch shortly. Motorola is about to unveil a new mid-range tablet, which already emerged in teaser pictures that showcase a green chassis. Motorola confirmed that the device will offer a 2.5K 90Hz display and a stylus for a budget-friendly price. Motorola has confirmed on Flipkart that the brand new Moto Pad 60 Neo will be unveiled on Friday, September 12th. The tablet can already be seen in a series of teaser images, which show quad speakers, a flat frame, green back panel, and a rectangular camera module. Motorola is opting for an 11-inch display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz and a 2.5K resolution. The bezels are not particularly thin, but at least they are uniform on all four sides. The selfie camera centered when the tablet is used in landscape mode. 3 metallic pins on the bottom will likely be used to connect a keyboard case. Motorola is shipping the device with a stylus that can detect tilt and 4096 levels of pressure. The Motorola tablet is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6300, which is a 6nm ARM chipset from last year that has 2 ARM Cortex-A76 performance cores with boost clock speeds of up to 2.4 GHz, as well as 6 Cortex-A55 efficiency cores. The Moto Pad 60 Neo is also equipped with a 5G modem, so users can access the internet while on the go. The 7000 mAh battery is relatively small for a tablet of this size, but it can be charged via USB-C with up to 68 watts, and a correspondingly powerful charger is included in the box. The Moto Pad 60 Neo is 0.28 inches thick and weighs 1.0 lbs. It is currently unclear in which markets the new tablet will launch, as the older Moto Pad 60 Pro was only available via import in many countries.